here. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most and proud days in the history of our nation, Republic Day, which is celebrated every year with great joy, respect and patriotism. Many of us enjoy the holiday, the parade and the cultural programs. But today I would like to narrate that what Republic Day truly means. Why is it celebrated?
Let us first understand what Republic is. A republic is a form of government in which the power lies in the hand of the people. And the head of the nation is not a king or queen, but an elected representative. Republic Day marked the day when India officially became a republic, not ruled by king, not guided by fear, but governed by values, equality and justice.
Now the question arises, why do we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January? India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. But even after independence, the country did not have its own permanent constitution. For some time, India was governed under laws made by British. To change this, a constituent assembly was formed to frame a constitution for independent India. This historic responsibility was given to great leaders and scholars of the nation. The drafting committee was led by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution took almost 3 years to complete. After deep discussions, debates and careful planning, the Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. However, it was decided that it would come into effect on 26 January 1950. But why this date was chosen? Because 26 January 1930 was the day when Indian National Congress had declared Purna Swaraj, meaning complete independence from British rule. By choosing this date, our leaders wanted to honor the long struggle and sacrifices made by millions of Indians during the freedom struggle. Thus, on 26 January 1950, India became sovereign, secular, socially democratic and republic.
Republic Day is not just about celebrations. It is about understanding the values of our Constitution. The Constitution guarantees us fundamental rights such as equality, freedom of speech, the right to live with dignity. At the same time, it reminds us of our fundamental duties to respect our national symbols, to protect public property, to preserve our environment, and to promote unity and harmony. Republic Day is celebrated with grandeur at Rajpath, New Delhi, where the President of India unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of the armed forces. My dear friends, Republic Day teaches us that freedom comes with responsibility. The real celebration of this day lies not in words, but in actions, by being responsible citizens, by respecting others, by following the law, and by working for the progress of our country. The real celebration of this day lies as the youth of India, the future of this great nation lies in our hands. Let us promise to uphold the ideals of our Constitution and contribute toward building a strong, united, and developed India.
I do not stand before you to speak. I stand before you to awaken the Indian within us. 26 January is not just a red day in our calendar. It is the day when India chose to rule itself. It is the day when dreams got direction. And it is the day when India received constitution.
Friends, on 26 January 1950, India became a republic. Not ruled by king, not guided by fear, but governed by values, equality and justice. Our Constitution does not ask who is rich, who is poor, who is big or small. It proudly declares, all are equal, all are Indian. Ek desh, ek Vidhan. Sabka pehla Bharat ki shaan.
Dear friends, patriotism is not only waving the tricolor once in a year. Patriotism is being honest in exams, respecting teachers, following rules, saying no to corruption, because the future of India is not in parliament alone. It is sitting right here in our classroom. पढ़ेंगे हम, बदलेंगे हम, नया भारत रचेंगे.
Our freedom fighters did not sacrifice so that we could be careless. They sacrificed so that we could be responsible citizens. When Bhagat Singh smiled at the gallows, when Dr. B.R. Ambedkar framed our Constitution, and when soldiers guard our border today, they ask just one question: what are you doing for your country? ना हम रुकेंगे, ना हम झुकेंगे, भारत को शिखर पर पहुंचाएंगे.
My dear friends, let us take a pledge today to respect our unity, to respect our Constitution, to serve our nation with honesty, because India is not built by words, India is built by action.
जय जवान, जय किसान, जय विज्ञान, जय जय